Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2012 chemical engineering paper. We are solving only the thermodynamics and fluid mechanics part. Question number 33 is for the enclosure formed between two concentric spheres as shown below, R2 is equal to 2R1. The fraction of radiation leaving the surface area A2 that strike itself is option A 1 by 4, option B 1 by 2, option C 1 by root 2, option D 3 by 4. Okay, so suppose this is your one surface and this is your surface 2. So we know that F11 plus F12, F11 plus F12 is we take the outer surface of 1 and inner surface of 2 is equal to 1. So fraction of radiation leaving the surface area is 1 strike itself. Okay, that is F11 means this. F12 means fraction of radiation leaving the surface area A1 and strike surface 2. Okay, so as no radiation strike itself because we are taking the outer surface of this area, so radiation will like this. Okay, as no radiation will strike with this, so F11 will be 0, so F12 will be 1. Okay. Similarly, if we take this surface, okay, and radiation from this surface will strike inward, and for this F21 plus F22 can also be written as 1. So now by reciprocity theorem we have now we have F12 by reciprocity theorem we can find out F21. So A2 F21 is equal to A1 F12. Okay. So A2 is pi R2 square and A1 is pi R1 square. Okay. So it is R2 square by R1 square. F21 is equal to F2 F12 is here 1. So F21 will be your R1 square by R2 square. As the radius ratio is given as 2, so it will be R1 by 2 R1 square. Okay, or it will be 1 by 4. So F21 will be 1 by 4. Now we if we have F12 1 by 4, so we can find out F22 also. So F22 will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So answer is option D. Next, heat is generated at a steady rate of 100 watt due to resistance heating in a long wire. Length 5 meter, diameter 2 mm. This wire is wrapped with an insulation of thickness 1 mm that has a thermal conductivity of 0.1 watt per meter per degree Kelvin. The insulated wire is exposed to air at 30 degrees Celsius. The convective heat transfer between wire and surrounding air is characterized by a heat transfer coefficient of 10 watt per meter square per degree Kelvin. The temperature in degrees Celsius at the interface between the wire and insulation is option A 211.2, option B 242.1, option C 311.2, option D 484.2. So heat generator is given as 100 watt. Okay, and wire for wire the diameter is 2 mm and radius will be 1 mm and thickness is 1 mm. So radius this is your radius, and if we consider insulation also, then the radius of the insulation is R, capital R. Radius of the wire is smaller and radius of the insulation is capital R, as insulation thickness is 1 mm. Okay. So it will be 1 plus 1 2 mm. So thermal conductivity insulation is there 0.1 watt per meter per degree Kelvin, and thermal resistance in theoretical coordinate is given as ln R by R divided by 2 pi KL, and R is the outer radius of insulation and small r is inner radius of insulation. Okay, so and K is this 0.1 and L length is given as 5 meters. Okay, so R insulation will be at 0.22075 Kelvin per watt. Okay, and now the convectivity of outer atmosphere is less 10 watt per meter square per degree Kelvin. So convective resistance will be 1 by HA. So H is 10 and area is 2 pi L, 2 pi R, and sorry 2 pi R L, and R is your 2 pi 2 into 5, and this H is 10. So area will be 2 pi into so this is the area 2 pi 2h by 1000 in meter square we have used here. Okay, so RH convective distance will be 1.59235 Kelvin per bar. Okay, so now total resistance is, as this insulation and this convective resistance are in series, so total resistance will be summation of these two, that is 1.81311. Okay, so heat transfer is given as heat generated is heat transfer. Okay, so all the heat generated will go to atmosphere. So that is, so heat transfer, heat generated is heat transfer. So we that is 100 watt. 100 watt is equal to T minus 30 divided by 1.8311. That is total resistance. Okay, so from this we get P is equal to 211.311. So answer is option A. Okay. Next, in a counter flow double pipe heat exchanger coil, m dot is equal to 2 kilogram per second, Cp is equal to 2.1 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Celsius, is cooled from 90 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius by water.